Hello traders, hello everyone, welcome back to Learn to Trade YouTube channel. US dollar versus the Canadian dollar. In today's daily video analysis, I will talk about a new long opportunity, a new buying opportunity after reaching a demand zone. And I will talk about the US inflation data, about the consumer price index, core CPI, and about its impact on the USD versus the Canadian dollar. Please read the disclaimer, and you can send an email to support if you have questions, guys. Thank you. So later today, consumer price index 0.2% growth expected, CPI year over year 3.3% growth expected, core CPI 0.2, and unemployment claims is expected to increase to 231,000. Yeah, and these are seen as high impact events, and most likely will bring sharp movements and high volatility. If we take a look here on US dollar versus the Canadian dollar, a strong upwards movement, and right now a retreat maybe was natural, was normal after its amazing rally, after this upside continuation here. And personally, I have here a demand zone. Okay, a demand zone also here on 4 hour. Okay, and also demand zone here on 1 hour. Personally, I would like the price to approach and reach this zone. Okay, to drop also below today's low here. And only then to develop an upwards movement. That's why personally I'll wait for the currency pair to end its sell-off, its retreat, and then I will try to look for potential longs for a new buying opportunity. Right now, no, I don't want to do anything. I don't want to sell it. I don't want to buy it because, as I've said, the economic data should really shake the markets, should bring high volatility in 2 hours, and most likely USD CAD should register sharp movements in both directions in the short term. That's why I would like the price to hit this demand zone here, and to register or to print or to signal that the downside movement or the correction ended, and then to look for potential longs. Okay, because as long as it stays below the downtrend line, it could still drop. Okay, and right now I don't want to buy it here because it could only register a false breakout here. It could reach that supply and then it could extend its sell-off. In my opinion, and fundamentally, if the US data, if the consumer price index, core CPI, will report higher inflation, then maybe the US dollar could take the lead again. Also, it's important maybe also the unemployment claims to come in better than expected as well, maybe, and to support the US dollar's growth. Okay, and but lower inflation, guys, reported by the consumer price index, by the core CPI, could force the US dollar to lose more ground versus its rivals. But technically, I'm looking for potential longs after reaching this zone, this area. Okay, and only taking out, dropping closing and stabilizing here could signal a potential deeper drop, maybe at least towards this new lower low, guys. This is my opinion about US dollar versus the Canadian dollar in the short term. Right now I'll wait for the price to end its sell-off, and then I will look for potential longs. Let's take a look also on the DXY dollar index sell-off. Yeah, it has dropped as expected here after failing to take out the downtrend line, and right now, guys, it could approach and reach this zone. Okay, and dropping towards this demand zone and order block here should force the US dollar to lose more ground, to depreciate versus rivals in the short term. That's why right now it is not okay to go long on the US dollar. Okay, after what happened also here, after taking out this uptrend line. It has stabilized below the broken uptrend line, a new lower low, and right now, yeah, only maybe temporary rebounds before maybe extending its sell off. Thank you guys. Please read the disclaimer and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Bye bye.